Alright, this is my 2010 Mustang GT. It's nothing special really, but we're about to take it to the exhaust shop. Needs new exhaust. It's FBO, long tubes, full bolt-on, etc. Catless X-pipe. But really, I just need a different set of mufflers. Come over here. Let me pop the hood for you. Alright, under this bad boy, you'll see it's got an 18-volt DeWalt battery. Alright, it's a bad motherfucker. So we're gonna head to the exhaust shop. Hey, I called the other day about getting exhaust on my 2010 Mustang.
What do you want done?
I don't know, Flow Masters or something.
All right, let's take a look at it.
All right, sounds good, man. Good?
Yeah.
Sweet. This is it in its prime. Yeah, I'm just wanting some Super 40s on it or something, some nice tips.
Yeah, let me take a look.
Yeah, for sure.
Looks doable.
All right. Yeah. Thanks, man.
Shout out my label, that's me. I'm in this bitch with TB. I'm in this bitch with 4 tray. I just pulled up me a A. Real nigga all in my face. 500 racks in my safe. 500 racks to the plug. What you know about showing love? What you know about pulling up? And Bentley trucks. Make these bitches fall in love. All of my niggas on go. None of my niggas no hope. All of my niggas won't smoke. All of my niggas together we came from.
Putting some Super 40s on this hoe. Sound like shit straight pipe, so hopefully it sounds a little bit better. It sounds like a fucking Harley. It's dog shit. Yeah, we'll pray about it. Perfect.
You need to get tips.
What do you mean? Oh, dude.
Tips?
You gotta keep the camera on. Keep it rolling, alright? Don't ever stop rolling. What's the biggest, I mean the shortest 4-inch tip that you have? Because that's what I want. Is it this one? Well, that's not gonna do me any fucking good.
Oh, thanks, Captain Retard.
This fucking guy works at a muffler shop. Unreal. Thinks he's the hardest guy on the planet. Dude, what if we just put this one on there? Dog. Dog. Like the Zoku tips or whatever? Does that go hard?
I like it.
Looks
The
good?
fitment is excellent.
Oh, that one. Here, does it? Oh, that's solid. I like that. But yeah, fuck it. Go with that one. Yeah, here, let me get a better look at it. Put it back up there. Put it back up there. Oh, that's fucking hot, dude. That's a big tip. It's got to be shoved up there, though. Like, no gap. I fuck with it. That's nasty. That's nasty. I like that. Get a video? Get a video of me, my wiener hanging out? Here, wait.
Just don't even look. Just don't even look.
Alright. You got that video?
Dude, I was...
I'm gonna piss in this gas tank.
No, I was gonna say just turn and just let it be fucking just like elevator music.
You gotta wiggle the worm, drain the dragon. What's another one? I don't know. Leak the lizard.
Camera rolling. I got 2.
Alright, they let us go in the back where they keep all the stolen stuff. So, now we're gonna find ourselves some stolen tips. Hey, what's... That one's not bad looking. That little tiny one right there, that's a 4-inch.
That's what tips are looking for.
Okay, that's one of them. Halfway there. When is anything good in here? I think that's the front of the treadmill over there.
Yeah, how much do you think that's all worth? No, those aren't the same. What?
Somebody threw the front of the treadmill in here.
Oh, there's a whole treadmill there.
Look. Not bad.
Do you think
Imagine I just fucking smack my nuts on it. Alright, hold up, hold up. Parkour. Hardcore parkour. Shit.
That's off a 2020 die.
I'm about to go home, cut the fucking tips off my boilers, or my, whatever.
Well, you
Whatever
probably
they're called.
are going to have to.
We're in the back right now? Alright. I got caught. I don't know why I do the 5-inch V-band anyways. 4-inch, whatever it was.
Give me that shit.
Oh, shit, dude, the fart can? Oh, it's not.
Daddy! Put it in my ass, Dad. Give it to me.
That one's not very loud. This one's not like it. Nope.
Got my hand.
I don't know where your tips are, so. Excuse the out of this, man.
Give me my tip, bro.
Give me that. Play with it. That sounds good.
Oh. Lord help me, I have a razor.
Lord help me.
Done.
Oh, what are you gonna get done?
Put the mufflers on.
Oh, yeah, that makes sense. I didn't even think about that. Blonde moment.
Blind moment.
Okay, yep, so.
Man.
Tristan, you gonna drive me back to the house?
I guess.
No, those ain't even close.
Yeah, those are not close. We gotta drive back to the house.
Or
grab the
Dickie rub.
Hellcat mufflers and cut the tips off.
Not Dickie Rabbit.
The bottle we used to wear each other. None of my niggas gon' fold. Couple pussy niggas told. They ain't my niggas no more. Hold it down for the fold. In the 9 with the woes.
All right, we had to come back to the shop. There was no tips there that would work on these. Or they didn't have any tips in inventory, whatever the fuck you want to call it. So we're grabbing the old Hellcat mufflers, and we're gonna cut these fucking tips off and make them work. But yeah, I don't know where I was gonna go from there. I don't know what I had planned to say, but that's why we came back to the shop. Now, back to the exhaust shop.
I been getting faded, I'm sipping on maple. If she won't fuck, I won't make her. I don't like bitches with makeup. If she want titties, I pay for her. Get out of there when I wake up. I pass the bar, I don't lay up. I'm a big boss, I gotta say so.
Like a monkey, dude.